Hello everybody, I'm Foster Fries, an American who loves this country as much as you do. We've all worked so hard together to stop this train wreck healthcare reform bill from becoming a reality. You and I need to make sure that our healthcare system is not destroyed. Raise your hand if you want to see seniors' Medicare benefits cut dramatically, or raise your hand if you want a government official making decisions about your healthcare instead of you and your doctor. Raise your hand if you want to give up the fundamental American freedom of choice that you and I have. Or raise your hand if you think it's wise to destroy America's healthcare system, even though it's the finest healthcare system in the world. If you raise your hand for any of those elements of disaster that are found in the current Washington healthcare reform bill, then this message is not for you. But if you love this country, consider these important facts. According to CNN, 73% of Americans oppose the current bill and say, stop and start over. And among the overwhelming majority of Americans who believe this bill is bad are well-known Democrats and thought leaders, including Warren Buffett and President Bill Clinton's advisor, Mark Penn. America's healthcare system is not perfect, even though it is the best in the world. Changes to healthcare are needed so that things are better for all Americans. They include changing the tax code so an employer can opt for a healthcare savings program and their employees have skin in the game and healthcare coverage portability. Think of the huge cost increases of groceries if someone else were paying for it at the checkout counter. Let's have the medical community post prices and outcomes. The Cleveland Clinic now posts outcomes. Let's allow small employer groups to be included in large health groups so that small employers are not hammered by high premiums. And decide what we would like to purchase in our healthcare insurance plan, not what the government decides we should buy. Can you imagine the outrageous cost increases of your and my auto insurance premiums if the government mandated coverage for tire replacement, transmission repair, tune-ups, and gas refills? None of these four improvements to the healthcare system will cost taxpayers one additional cent. And in fact, it'll reduce the cost of healthcare and therefore healthcare insurance. You and I hold the power to stop this disastrous healthcare reform bill, and here's how. Reach out to your Democratic friends who are major supporters of congressmen who are willing to listen and can be influenced to vote against the bill. You'll find their names on the website. It's important that these Democratic congressional supporters go in groups to see each and every congressman face to face and deliver the message loud and clear that voting for this bill will diminish financial and other support. This is an urgent situation. Do we need healthcare reform? Sure, we do. Is the current Washington healthcare reform the answer? Absolutely not. If you want to know more, go to the website. The current Washington plan takes away your doctor-patient privacy, strips your freedom of choice, increases the cost of healthcare, and pushes America closer to bankruptcy. We should salute Warren Buffett for standing strong against this bill. We should commend President Bill Clinton's advisor, Mark Penn, for visibly and vocally opposing this bill. And you and I together must stand with them and the 73% of Americans who oppose the bill. The time for action is now. May God bless you, and God bless the United States of America.